Hey guys, so I know I'm late to the game, but let's check out these Clorox Toilet Wand 3-in-1 starter kit system. It comes with the caddy, 6 refillable brush heads, and 1 reusable wand. Now, first things first, let's get rid of our old toilet brush because who needs that? Next, push the handle straight down onto the cleaning brush head until it clicks into place. Dip the cleaning head into the toilet bowl for 1 to 2 seconds and then begin scrubbing the entire bowl above the waterline. Let it stand for 5 minutes to sanitize and 10 to disinfect. The Clorox Disinfecting Toilet Wand kills 99.9% of the germs, powers through tough stains, and cleans faster than a toilet brush. Once you're all done, you go ahead and hold the wand over the trash bin and slide the button forward to release. Replace the reusable wand back to the caddy. Get a Clorox wipe to clean up any of the excess dirt or spillage around the toilet, and you're all done.